Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. We'll start in 1 minute. Question for webinar later. For last homework on finding. Okay, let's read the question first. For webinar later, for last homework on finding the decision point, it is a homework that is using a turning point and going back history to find a clean base that trigger a turning point of a future price. It is somewhat like a back testing using future price to find a history clean base to justify why price turn. So instead, can you show how to prepare a trade for a future price? All right, I will do because I have a trade with my student. You can search. This is his name. He's also in this room, Sheikh Ali. Okay, I have personal coaching with him. He already see my live trade. Okay, already live trade one of the setup using this decision point. Okay, and then there is another question. I think. And this one. And how to approach if we have multiple time frame, multiple lower time frame clean break zone in different time frame, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, so how to decide which one to take into consideration? Please discuss this into the webinar. All right. So is Amit already here? Fuzail. 4% are watching. Amit, can you please answer if you are already in the class? Because I will explain your question, and if I did not explain it well, I will try to explain it again. Or I will try to answer Michael's question first. Okay, yes. Right. So since Amit asked first, so I will ask his question first. So how to approach? How to approach? Let me copy this. This is too small. So let's see. How to approach. All right, this is the question. How all right. So how to approach if we have so I mean here as the way that we want to approach the way we want to find the clean break, okay? Clean break on lower time frame. If there is a lot of clean break in 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, and 10 minute, so how to decide? Okay, how to decide which one to take into consideration? Which one to take into consideration? All right, so we will take this kind. Right, I will draw it. Okay, 1, 2. The clean one. Okay, this is the best one that we will look for. Right, we will look at clean break base with clean break. My answer will be in blue. Okay, when going when doing top down, I call this the thing that you change in time frame to find the clean break. We call this as a top down analysis. When doing a top down, which means from the high time frame to down time frame, which means lower time frame, top down analysis, we will find a clean break base, clean break, and fresh base. Or in other words, decision point. Okay. So for example, let's see, I will show you. Okay, when doing a top-down analysis, we will find the clean one. Okay, we find the clean and the fresh base. Because when you do your homework, sometimes it takes the base that did not clean break. So actually that one in maybe in 1 second chart, you will see a decision point. So we have a limitation by using our MetaTrader 4. Okay, our MetaTrader 4 can only go until M1, the smallest one. And we only have limited access to 1 second chart, this tick chart. Okay, so I cannot teach you this tick chart because later, actually, when you already master the decision point, you can read this thing, this 1 second chart, you can read it just normally. Okay, but just for now, we cannot discuss about tick chart because I cannot scroll. I cannot have the history data. Okay, empty. Most of the MetaTrader 4, you cannot go lower than M1. So I cannot discuss because it do not have a clean break. So it will have a clean break when the price turn. It will have a turn at a decision point. Always turn at decision point. If on M1, it does not have a clean break and it does turn, acknowledge in your mind that in lower time frame there is a decision point, but we do not have access to the 1 second chart. Okay. Is there any question? No. All right. Let's see. So how to do it? Right. For example, I use this UCAT H4. Okay. Why does it turn here? So let's take this one. Okay. So why does it turn here? Okay. So let's go to lower time frame. Okay. Again, we cannot see any base. All right. There is some float there. It's okay. So just go lower. Okay. And then we will find something like this. They need to draw a zone first. Okay. Okay, we have a clean break here. Okay, so remember, if you want to find this decision point during a live trade, I think that one is Michael question. Okay, this one I will discuss today. 1 minute how to decide which one into, okay, which one to make into consideration. All right, I answer Amit question first. All right, so this one is the clean break. Okay, let's go to lower time frame. See this? Okay, so this is no longer a clean break. Okay, no longer a clean break. Over here is actually a base in lower time frame. Okay, so just drop down the time frame. Okay, so we still do not have any clean break here. Over here in lower time frame, we will have it. All right. Oops, already gone. Okay. Right, so over there, you also got a clean break here. Got a clean break. Clean break. And this is not clean. This is not clean. If it not clean, just delete. This is also not clean, right? Look, I zoom in. Look, it's not clean. It is broken by 2 candle. Okay, so not clean. Is over here clean? Is this one clean? Also not clean. Delete. Not clean. This is also not clean. So the cleanest one, the the most clean base. Okay, clean breakout, right? Only that one. Okay, and it also in line with a resistance. Oh, over here. Oh, I already marked it wrong. It's okay. I think I need to do something like this. Right, it's over here. Okay, we break this level. Okay, oh, it have a base here. Okay, base here, but this one does not do not have a clean break, and this one is a clean break. Okay, actually, I think Amit is really a fan of FTR and flat limit. Okay, so I will tell you what this is. Okay, this is also called a FTR. Okay, so Amit is quite a fan of this, so I will also just tell him lah regarding this. Okay, so you have a SR flip, all right, and then something like this, and then something like this, something like this, base, and then go like this. Okay, this is also called FTR, fail to return to resistance. Okay, this is also an FTR. All right, so FTR is over here. So you also have an entry here. So let's look. Any question? No. All right, let's see. So this is the SR flip area, or the RS flip, and this black one is the wrong one. Okay, so we have this decision. Okay, let's see where price go. All right. Okay, so price reacted with this flip zone. This also do not have any rejection. So this is not a perfect entry for decision point. Okay, so let's look on M5. Okay, when you're doing your homework, you need to relate with the point that you will do your reference. Oh, what's up with this? Where did I mark? Oh, this one. I need to delete this first. Oh no, you get. Where's the one that I marked? H4. Oh, over here. All right. Okay, so on H4, this one is on M5. Okay, over there. Let's look here. Oh, okay, over here. We find the clean break. There's no clean break here. But over here is also a type of decision if the candle show like this on M5. Okay, so let's see. But this one is not recommended because during the homework you need to find the clean break. Okay, so just find the correct one, and later you will understand how this thing actually works. So actually take the M1 lah, right? But it does not respect the rejection. So it really does take this one. Okay. So this is the only one that has a clean break. But if you take this one, the price can hold lah. If you take this one, price can still hold. But during live event, during your live trade, okay, let me write this. Okay, price react with this. Okay, but this is the claim rate. Okay, so in this situation, the market already happened. Okay, it's only a back test. Okay, but in the future, okay, in the future you need to find this thing, this clean break. In the future, when you are trying to live trade, you need to find a clean break. Okay, try not to find something like this, because this is not a clean break, so it's not a good one for you to a trade. Because if you drop down your time frame, you might find some clean break here or clean break here, but we do not have the data in below the N1. So the only data that we have is over here. Okay, so we just use what we have. Okay, for example, how to counter this. All right. Okay, for example, it does not reject the open and close price. Okay, it only reject this one, this open price over here. This is also a good base, the rejection. Okay, but for confirmation, okay, so all right, you see this over here. Where is the last base that make the price close inside the body? What make it infected? Okay, this base. Okay, so this base need to be broken, which we will be learning today, the high liquidity zone. Okay, so over here, so this is the confirmation trade for this one. Okay, because this is already got broken. Okay, it's already not fresh. Okay, but this one only reject. Okay, so this one is a good one, but the clean break we do not have the answer, because we can only go until M1. If you can go to lower time frame, we can see this actually. Okay, you got question. Can't join the webinar this week. Need to sleep and wake up early. I'll catch up. Cheers. It's okay. If there is any clean break for higher time frames such as H1, then when I turn chart into entity, there is a clean break in H1 clean break. Thing like that repeatedly happen until I focus on M1, which zone. Okay, so this one, take the clean break inside a clean break. Okay, what does it say about this? Okay, so I will explain here. For example, we have H4. Not you get no thing, no. Got a clean break here. Yes, we got a clean break here. But I don't think we can go up to M1 here. Let's see Eurocat. H4. No. H4. Do we have some good rejection? I think you get will be good enough. You get. Alright, H4. Okay, let's see why price reject here. Okay, over here, we have our clean break in H4. Okay. Okay. We have H4 clean break. USD CHF. Once we go on H4 and drop down, or I can begin at M15. You can also begin on M15. Also can, but your take profit will not be like in H4 lah. For H4, you have a rejection on H4. Okay, so your take profit can go until 229. Okay, 200 pips. If you go to 15-minute chart, for example, you have a rejection like this, the same one that you see in H4, but you only got about 40 pips right there. So you cannot expect to get 200 pips if you're trading based on M15. All right. So H4 USD CHF. Wait a minute. H4. Where is it? Oh, you want some signal? All right, it's okay. I will give you one. All right, this is For example, this is on the future trade. Okay, the smaller the time frame, the smaller the TP will get. No. Okay, look. This one is not wrong. Okay, but if you are like this, okay, you are trading on H4. Okay, you are waiting on supply zone at H4, but you using your stop loss on M1. Okay, you fine tune. Okay, so you can get a lot of pips. You will get a swing trade. For example, you can swing your trade. But you end. For example, I think I need to show you something here. Actually, I already show you before. 1,000. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so this is sell limit lah. Alright, sell limit is not a thing because we need to wait for rejection. Alright, so this one got a rejection. But if you go to lower time frame, okay, if this one you go to lower, for example, over here, you go to lower time frame, you will see a lot of small zone of clean breakout, clean breakout, clean breakout, clean breakout. Okay, and then over here, you will get the maximum clean breakout is on the top here because over there already been consumed or in this daily candle. Okay, daily candle price already make the clean base inside this interbase as a not clean breakout, not fresh. I mean, not fresh base anymore. So the most fresh and clean is out here. Okay, so you can minimize your stop loss, but you can go for maximum profit. Okay, so that's why we will go from higher time frame and then top down to lower time frame to find us a really small stop loss. Okay, understood. All right. Okay, so USD CHF is asking for the signal. It's okay. This one you need to wait for rejection. So always wait for rejection. So drop your time frame. Okay. So this is the case. Okay. So you see this? You see this one? Hello everybody. You see this clean break? You see this clean break? Okay, you take like this. And then you mark this as H1 clean break. Alright, and then M30. Do you have a clean break here? Yes, also in the zone of H1. So no need to mark it. Alright, over here, you got no clean break here, no clean break here. No. Alright. So this one is on M15. So change color. For example, you change to green, for example. Right. So this one is H1. This orange, this gold color is H4. So this green color is M15. M15. Okay. M15 clean break, but it does not fresh anymore, but still can hold the price. All right. So let's see here. So now we have 1, 2. We have 1, 2. This one already knocked out. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So let's change color. For example, for M5, we will mark it as which color we want to use. For example, we want to use red color. Okay, red color. This one is also a clean break. Okay, this one is clean break. This one is not a clean break. Alright, that's it. Then go to M1. We see any clean break? Clean break, clean break, clean break. This is a clean break. This is a clean break. This is also a clean break. What color we want to use next? Think maybe white color. No. It is magenta. Alright. So this is a clean break. Look, a clean break. A clean break. Oh no, it's not a clean break. Is this a clean break? Yes, this is a clean break, but price already closed above it, so we will not take it. This one is also a clean break. This one is also a clean break. So might be confusing because a lot of color. So I just want to show you this stuff. This is not a clean break. Clean break, clean break. Not clean. This one, a clean break. And this one. Okay. So when you go to H4, you will have something like this. Okay. Actually, it's really hard for you to see a rejection when price does not come into your zone. Okay, we will find the rejection when price going into our zone. Okay, this is a stop liquidity zone. Okay, this is a stop liquidity zone, but we will be learning later. Okay, so later price will go up here. This look like a good place lah. Okay, inside also I have a lot of clean base. Okay, so it's look crowded, so just make sure delete this big one, and then you will get this level that you want to focus on. This rejection over here, or rejection over here, over here, over here. So this got a lot of clean break here. Okay, sometimes this is a quite good one actually. All right, because look, this is has a lot of clean break, and it also in line with the QM level, high low, high low low. All right, so it's a good one actually, but please wait for rejection and do not put sell limit here. All right. This one is very good. Suppose we have oversubscription shoot. How should we approach? Okay, so just wait for rejection. For example, like this. Let me open the thing that Zeko share with me. Wait a moment. I'm opening the apps. Clean break is clean break in a clean break, and five the red is not fresh. Yes, it's not fresh. Agree. Yes, correct. It is not fresh. Correct. I also see that. This isn't too confused in color. I think. Yes. Because this one is actually a simple thing, but how I want to put it in word. You need to wait for price to give you some rejection. Okay. So when it gives the rejection, for example, in 50 minutes, you have 50 minutes to make a decision. Okay. So when it reject here, you find why it reject here. Okay, I think I need to live trade it. Okay, it's okay. So let's see. Right. For example, let me zoom in this. Oh, where does it go? All right, like this. Oh, this is big enough. And then open this pen. All right. For example, I assume price will go to this 50-minute chart. Okay, so we will have our candle like this. Oh, red color. Damn. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. This is our candle, okay? For example, we have a rejection like this. Whoosh. Moment. Like for example, we have a rejection like this. Oh, this one, price break the 1 minute decision, break the 5 minute decision, and then it stop here like this. So over here got a body like this, like this, like this. After it arrive here, price go back down. Okay, price go back down like that. Okay, over here, when price doing something like this, at this moment, you take your horizontal line like that, and then you look to the left. Is there any clean break there? All right. So if there is a clean break, and then after 50 minutes, this one close. Okay. Can you see the one that I write? Okay. So and then it close. Okay. And then you open new candle. So you just instant, and then usually price will drop. All right. So you need to make your decision. Okay. You need to make your decision when the price arrive at this zone. Okay, so you need to watch this. Not drawing. Okay, when you trade, you will not draw something like this. Okay, you will not draw a lot of color like this. You just need to do something like this. Okay, for example, this one. All right. So this one, you just mark this level like this. Oh, what a hideous color. Need to change it. All right. For example, price. For example, okay, price do something like this. Whoop, price is moving. Oh, I think I need to do something like this. Okay, for example, you do something like this. All right. You go very fast like that. And then it reject. Okay, it stop here. It stop right here. Okay. You know that shadow like this. USD M1. You know, like shadow is the history of price movement. Look, price reject will create a shadow. Okay, so let's see USD CHF. For example, price move like this, and then it go down like this, like that. Price still in H4, so it need 4 hours for it to close and get a new candle. Okay, so you in 4 hours you can make decision. Okay, so when you do like this, it will leave a shadow like this. Oh, oh, a shadow like this. Okay, so you got a rejection there. Price already enter and got a rejection. At this moment, during this 4 hour, you drag the horizontal line like this. Okay, drag the horizontal line like this. Okay, and then you go H1. Oh, it's reject here. It's reject the 1 hour chart. Oh, what's that? Oh, blue color. Right. Gold. Oh, now you see. Oh, it's reject the open price. Okay, it reject the first imbalance. Okay. All right. Let's go top down. Let's see what happened. All right. So over here we also got a doji. Okay, like this. So we can fine tune. Did price reject here? Yes, it do. Yeah, yes, it does. It does reject this doji. And then in M30, in 30-minute chart, the price already do something like this. Okay, it go forming a new candle. It close and then forming new candle. Okay, at this moment, you just instant your trade and then price will drop. Usually we do like this. Okay, you already look at your trade, and Zelico also shows some good setup that he used. All right. So you need to trade this in a live trade condition. Okay, M5 it's not fresh. It's okay. I already told that. Yes, too many clean break to take into consideration. So we put pending orders. No, 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 no. Don't put pending order. Okay, we see the rejection first. I think 5-minute upper one is not clean. Okay. Okay, the best to see rejection is actually on M15 and M5 and M30. Okay, this is the best to confirm rejection. Okay, but you need some time lah. Okay, but you can also go until M1 because that one show other story. Okay, but in M15 and M30 actually already good enough for you to take a trade. And if you are trading news, if you're having a news trade, like high impact news like that, you need to go until M5 rejection. Okay, this one you will be it's something like your instinct, your trade instinct will develop after you already trained to see this rejection live. Okay, so you will see M5 rejection, this one during news. All right. For example, Michael 15 zone rejects M5 candle. Can we instant entry or wait for M15 because of the zone is on M15? Okay, like this. If this is the M15 clean break you're using, okay. If you're using M15 clean break, okay. If you're using M15 clean break, you need to wait until M15 candle close. Okay, M15 candle rejection, and then it close, and then you can enter your trade. But if you top down over here in M5, for example, you have something like this. I will draw something like this. Put like this too. On M5, you have something like this. You are using M5, okay? Put something like this. And then it reject like this. Okay? And then it close out here. Okay? And then it open up the new one. Okay? You can instant trade here. So you trade based on the clean break that you refer to. If you're referring to M15, you will wait until M15 candle close. If you trade based on M5, you will wait on M5 candle close. Okay. All right. I think I need to answer. Wait. Where is Michael question? Michael question. All right. So let's copy this. I think I already answered this. How to top down? Top down, you just need to find this thing, clean break and fresh base. Okay. If it is not fresh, it can still hold price, but the best one, I'm saying about the best one. Okay, the best one for you to take a trade. Okay, for you not to lose your money, you need to take the fresh base. But if you can handle the risk to take not a clean base like this, you use 2 candle to break the base like this, it can still reject here. It's still a first imbalance. Remember the first page that we learned, this is still a first imbalance and we can still wait for rejection here. But if you are a type of person that want confirmation, a very solid confirmation, wait for claim base. But if you are a trader that able to accept a few losses, and you are daring to take the risk, you can trade this one. Okay, but if you are not a type of trader that can accept losses, just focus on a clean break and a fresh base. And this one is really rare to happen. Okay, it's like finding the diamond in a lot of glasses. All right, clean break and fresh base. Okay, but if you when you're doing your homework, you focus on clean break and fresh base, and when you live trade, you will also be as the person that you are trained for. If you are trained to find clean break and fresh base, you will be this kind of person. If you train using this one, and sometimes it will also fail, so you'll be trading this type of manners. Okay. Is there any other question? Marking the clean break zone by zone, is it the volume 2, sir? In International Shadow Codes Academy, actually, I already mentioned a lot of things for volume 2 because I know that this is the only class, the one and only class that I will do for uh, English student, for international student. And if someone from UK, US, Australia, Serbia, they maybe they will not have the time or the fun to fly to Malaysia for a personal coaching. That one for volume 2 I will teach in International Shadow Codes Academy, and I will just put it for confirmation. For example, in Shadow Codes Academy, in the local group, they do not know the confirmation entry, the imbalance rejection. They do not learn this. Okay, they only know how to sniper entry, how to zero drawdown like that, but they don't have the rejection entry, the confirmation. Okay, I only teach this rejection confirmation entry for my international student and the one that are going for my personal coaching. Okay. So I need to answer Michael's question. It's already been too long for him to wait for the answer. Don't save this one. Go. Last homework on finding the decision point. It is a homework that is using a turning point and going back to history to find a claim base that triggered a turning point of future price. It is somewhat like a back testing. Okay. Testing using future price to find a historic claim base to justify why price turn. So instead, can you show how to prepare trade for future price? All right. I will not live trade because I already have a live trade example that I did today with my student that attend the personal coaching. I already trade live trade with him. Let me open this. All right, this one is before the news. Okay, so let's open, for example, let's open Forex Factory. Okay, this is how you want to trade the rejection for maximum profit. Forex Factory. Focus on claim rate, fresh break important, then wait for rejection. Yes, correct. Calendar. Okay, so I trade this. No, not this one. Friday 9:30. Okay, so I trade this one. CAD and USD news. All right. So over here is the result. CAD is Canadian dollar is weakening, and US dollar is strengthened. Okay. So this is actually a market bias type of trade. Okay. So let's open the USD card M5. All right. All right. Let's see here. See this I already mentioned M5. Where is it? Okay, this one. I already mentioned this one. Look, during the news and 5 rejection. Okay, so what we are looking for is something like this. Okay, so this is before the news. All right, so this is before the news. So over here is not a clean base. Okay, it's not a clean break base, but it has a good rejection because over here, because choosing a base for rejection is actually the way that you are able to risk whether you want to wait for a clean break. This one is the greatest one. Look, the best. Okay, show you. This is the best one. Okay, clean break. Clean break is the best. Okay, clean break is the best. Right. And then we have this type. Okay, we have something like this and something like this. So this one is not a clean break. Not a clean break, but still is a base lah. Alright, this one is still called a base because it break here, it's already confirmed the base. Okay, so we can still expect rejection here. We can still expect rejection here. Okay, so are you there to take the risk of this not clean break, or you waiting for something with clean break and miss a trade? Okay, so this one is compulsory. Okay, what you clean break in one candle or what you clean break at one candle or what do you mean, Zerko? Can you elaborate further? I cannot answer or what is or for what? Right? What is or? Zerko, are you there? So okay, let's see over here first. Okay, so over here it's not a clean base. Okay, it's not a clean break, but before the news, this is just about 1 to 3 minutes before the news. Okay, so where is the best base that I can find? Okay, so this white candle, okay, this white candle is not yet a base because it does not break yet. But this one, this black candle, this black one, okay, this one, okay, is already considered as a base. And it also got a rejection over here. Okay, so what I do after that, sorry. All right, what I do after that, I just instant entry after the rejection. Okay, M5, rejection. Okay, so we got here a rejection. Let me open this one. We got here the rejection. Okay, this is the rejection. And then, okay. And then, what happened with price? Price should up. Okay, after the rejection. And then we entry sell. Okay, so, this one is the spread lah, the spread. Okay. And then after the rejection, and then another 5 minutes before the news. Okay, 5 minutes before the news. And then when news happen, it reject. So this is a type of rejection entry. Okay. What is for you clean break? Oh, this is a clean break. This is a clean break. This is a clean break. This is not a clean break. This is not a clean break. A clean break. Okay, let me make it more colorful. All right. This one, this high, okay. Break with one candle. Break with one candle is a clean break. Okay. All right. This one got broken by 1 and a 2. Okay. Break with more than one candle. Okay. If it's break more than one candle, it is not clean break, not a clean break. Okay. If it is break with one candle, it is a clean break. Okay. Understand? Am I answering the question? Rejection focus on open or close price. Open price. Okay. Open price. For bullish candle, it's open here. Open, open, close. And then after this close, we'll open here. Oh, sorry, different color. Close. Sorry. Open, close. Open, close. And then come the bullish candle. Like this. Sorry. Wrong marking. Hey. Oh. Alright. This is the correct one. Open, close, open, close. Open, close, open, close. Let me write this down. Okay, this one start here. Open. Oh, I'm new on using this software. Wait a moment. Okay, open, close, and then open your candle, open, and then close here. Okay, this one is open here, close, open, close, open, close. Okay, so we always wait for rejection at open price. Open price. We wait for here. The rejection we wait here. Okay. So when there is a rejection there, we just instant trade. Okay. When there is a rejection on open price, we just instant trade after the candle close. Alright. Okay, clear. So we have to wait for rejection and then take an entry. Thanks. Which case we can put limit order. No. If you're using limit order, okay, for example like this, okay. Alright. Amit, do you like QM? Do you like to trade QM? Quasimodo? I show you something. Okay. For example, this is a high, low, high, low. Okay. This is a QM level, correct? Oh, need to delete this. Okay. This is a QM level, correct? Oh, I think I got another software from Zelico. It's better, I think. Which one? Right. Start new capture. I capture this first. I got this software from Zelco. It's a very good software. You can help me edit during class. Then after a screenshot, we can edit. Oh, wait a moment. I think we miss our syllabus here because we should be learning the high liquidity zone today. This is a QM. Tools, share image. Tools, image. No, where is the word? Is this a word? No, I want just word. QM level. Let's put sell limit here. instead of waiting for rejection. Is it good one? Oh, it's gone. The Telegram. Okay, rejection focus. Okay. This is the question, okay? So we have to wait for rejection to take entry. Yes, correct. And in case which case we can put our limit order. This one is on upcoming class. Okay. If answer for this lies in future session, then it's okay. I think we should continue today. All right. Okay. So the one that you learning today, okay? Mind having the LQZ lesson tomorrow night. Yes, I think we need to make another class. Okay, we need to extend our class because this decision point is an important one. I need for you to understand. For HLZ or high liquidity zone, it can wait because that one is very simple. This decision point is very important, so I don't mind to extend decision point for another one night if you want to, okay, or you want to add another class to explain about decision point more, okay. So it's okay, I can do classes for you. We have 10 weeks of lesson. We have a lot of time actually. It's okay. So for example, we put our sell limit order here, okay. We got sell limit here, okay. And then what happened with price? All right. Okay, so sell limit we put here. And then this is my buy lah. Alright. Your stop loss is my entry, correct? And your misery is my happiness. So your SL is over here. What happened? If you do not wait for rejection, this happen. Okay. Even though we got a clean break here in M5, let us go to USD over here, the one that I already marked. Okay, sorry, drop down. It's okay. M1. Alright, over here. We got a clean break, correct? I already draw this, a clean break, and I wait for rejection. But what happened is, what happened is something like this, okay? If you do not wait for rejection, you will experience a stop loss, okay? Or you will float until up here, about 48 pips you float, alright? If you did not wait for rejection, okay. So over here, we got a rejection, so we trade it, okay? So we also got a rejection down here. So it's also a good trade for you to take up this one. And then it go up here. Alright. That's it. So this, you need to really understand this chapter 1. You need to master chapter 1 and then chapter 2 before you can go for limit order in the QM zone like that. Okay, because if you are waiting for confirmation, you can save your money. But if you are working, you must use the set and forget lah. So if it SL, you will lose money. If you not SL, you will have some money. Okay, so for high liquidity zone, I need to make another class. I will tell you later. And wait a moment. Tomorrow Friday, Saturday night. Wait a moment. Okay, next class. Okay, next class for extended HLU zone will be on Sunday night. Okay. If I do not wait for rejection, I will get SL. I thought we should wait for rejection, then we open trade. Yes, correct. If you do not wait, you will, for rejection, you will get SL, stop loss, and we should wait for rejection, then we open a trade. So over here, we do not have any rejection, correct? No rejection means no trade. Okay, even in M1, we do not have any rejection. Okay, so no trade for us. We just watch there. But you really need to have something in your mind, like over here you got rejection. Why? What's stopping you from buying here? Okay, what's stopping you from buying here? Okay, over here, it is not a clean base. Okay, it is not a clean base, but it got a very beautiful rejection. Okay, a beautiful rejection. Okay, I will show you. A good rejection is when the candle body, okay, the candle body, this, oh man, let me zoom in there. Okay, okay, this candle body, look, let me mark this one. This one cannot close inside of this space. Okay, inside this space area, this space only got rejection. Even though this one is not a clean break, but the rejection is very beautiful. Okay, this rejection type of rejection, you need to have experience, because this one only experience can teach you. Okay, I already teach you the theory, but to see the beauty of rejection, you need to have a little bit of experience trading the rejection. Okay. I do not wait for rejection. We get stop loss. Should wait for rejection, then we open trade. I think I already answer, or I am not answering that. Okay, Michael is typing. Do you have any other question? So meaning if I miss the rejection, I should skip the trade. Miss a rejection, what do you mean? Yes, correct. Beautiful rejection, nobody close inside the zone. Okay, this whole zone. All right. This one, and wait for another rejection, or observe if price have engulfed the base to take the opposite trade. No, I do not teach the about the engulf is a different thing. It quite difficult to understand yet. Just understand about rejection first. Only rejection. I only teach rejection for now. Okay, so for example, yeah, it's like this. Let me open this one. All right. You are, for example, you are expecting a rejection here, because in M1 over here, in M1, you got a clean base. Okay, so you are waiting for rejection here. Let me open my tools. Wait here. Okay, so why you waiting here? You want to sell here, or you want to wait for rejection here? Over here, you also got a base. Okay. Okay. For example, you expect price to go up here. Why not you just buy all the way here? Because you expecting price to wait here. You wait here. You expecting price to go here. And to confirm that price going up, you also have a base. Not clean, but a base. But you also got a rejection. Instant rate. Okay. So this is what I mean by reading price. You need to read this really well. Okay, you need to see rejection here, how to counter rejection here. Okay, on M5, look. On M5, you got also a beautiful base there. M5. All right. Over here, you also got a rejection, a good rejection. Right. Look, a very good rejection. Okay, over here. Look, it's not clean, but it's a good one. A really long rejection like this. Okay. So you need to really do a lot of back tests, or you need to live trade. Live trade does not mean you need to trade. Okay. Live trade mean let's open the M1 chart. For example, you want to train your eye. Okay. You don't want to lose money, but you just want to train your eye. Okay. So this is the base. Okay. And over here, you got over here is the base. All right. Okay, so right now, what are you expecting? Okay, I'm expecting price to go down here. So why not I just buy here? Okay, so I instant buy here. All right. So you already instant here. You're expecting price to go down here. All right. 77. And then price, if price go out here, you're expecting price to have a rejection here. Expect rejection. So let's see what price will do. This is a live trade. Okay. Oh, sorry. Expect a rejection here. Let's see if there is any question. Shadow codes type 2. No, we do not go into shadow codes yet. Shadow codes type 2 is a type of QM actually. Alright. Meaning I missed the rejection. Should skip the yes, keep the trade. Wait for another rejection. Yes, wait for another rejection. And observe if price has engulfed the base to take the opposite trade. For opposite trade, for example, it's already broken like this, okay, on UCAT M5, okay. It's already broken like this. For this kind of situation, this one is already too far, okay. And then it do something like this. This is what we call a base break, clean break, rejection. And then you just entry here. You entry on the second candle after the rejection. Entry after rejection. You entry after rejection. Okay. And then how many pips you can salvage here? Okay, over here. Okay, so to confirm your trade, you also have another base here. And then you also have a rejection. Okay. Rejection here. Rejection here. Okay. You also have no, not rejection. Okay. So over here you also have a base. All right. And then eventually it go down like this. Okay. So just train your eye to see this kind of rejection. Okay. Price can reject on low price, open price, close price, high price. But the best one will be the open price. I just want you to focus on open price because this is the best rejection that you want. All right. So let's see M1 that we draw. Okay, so it do rejection. Oh no, this one. So when you do rejection, we just instant. So we sell here. Wait a moment. So we sell here. Okay, sell. Right. sell here, sell. Okay, expect rejection, already got a rejection. Okay, and then okay, so our stop loss, this is a white candle. I need to zoom in a little bit. This one, it's okay. So you already got a rejection, even though it's not an open price here, but it's still good. You think on M5? Maybe no, M1 only. Right. So over here is your stop loss. Stop loss here. Stop loss how many pips? About 3 pips. Your take profit area will be about 10 pips. Hey, what happened? Alright. Take profit 10 pips. Okay. So you are expecting price to go here. If you are losing, you only lose 3. But if you are in profit, you will only you will get the 10 pips lah. Alright. So is there any other question? I think where to put stop loss when you have a rejection candle? So we should know about the target. Okay, the target I already show you. Okay, the target is next base. Okay, the next claim base. Okay, over here, where is the base? Okay, so you sell here. Okay, where is the base? No base here. No base here. All right, this is the base. All right, either you can take this one because price already reject with this candle. Okay, it's interact with this one, or you can also take the maximum one here. Okay, so if you do not want to use your take profit or your TP order, you can just wait for rejection. If it got a rejection, which means price will go back up here. Okay, and if you do not want to use your stop loss, also can, because you might think it go about rejection like that, and then just want you to stop out, want to take your stop loss only. So remove your stop loss, and if price close inside here, just be ready to cut your loss. Okay, so this already approach our take profit. Is because this one rejection trade is really simple. You need to if you want to be really good in trading rejection, open the M1 chart and then just trade like this. I do not open a real trade. I just shadow trading. Shadow trading is mean you trade in your mind. Okay, you open your trade here. Okay, you open here. Entry this candle entry candle or sell here. Okay, sell here, take profit here. So just wait whether it's stop loss or take profit. This is a trade, so it's already give you 3 pips. So you can also partial close. Okay, you can also partial close, or you can, if you are greedy, you can wait to take profit to salvage the maximum profit. But I'm not that kind of guy that trusts price will go up, down here just to follow my analysis. So I will mostly partial close my trade. Okay, so over here we have a place to wait for rejection also. Over here is a clean base. So you can by live trading, you can see how price react lifetime, which mean at real time you can see how price react. Okay, you want to see something like this. Okay, so for example, if price reject here, it's a good sign. Okay, so you can hold your position from scalping to swing if you're using something like this. All right, so just wait for rejection. Is there any other question? You mark it for side entry. Yes, it's a side entry. Where to put stop loss? Is there any other question? Why we'll wait for this? I do not like to wait. Just make sure you have your stop loss, your take profit, and just leave it be. If you want to set and forget. But this one you can already salvage a lot actually. Already 3 pips in M1 because you are using the M1 time frame. If you're using M30 or you're using H1 or H4, you can get more pips. All right. Is there any other question? I got 6 person watching my trade and waiting for my SL stop loss. Right, got no rejection. Look, this is not a good a good rejection because price over here, price close inside of this zone. Okay, price close inside of this zone. The most beautiful one will look like this. No, M5. Okay, the beautiful one will look like this. Okay, the price does not close inside the zone. Okay, look, price does not close inside this zone. Okay, it close outside. Whether it reject very high, but still price unable to close inside this zone. Okay, so it is a good sign. So over here, let's see what happened. All right, it's really long to wait. Do you want to wait with me to see this shadow trading? Actually, you can do it yourself. Can we focus more on decision points, sir? Decision point. Tell me, bro, what you want me to tell you. When you will trade on H1, how you enter in, which time frame. I already taught you that. I need to wait for price to go into, for example, I want to trade where EuroCat will not have daily, no weekly, no, yes. For example, I want to trade this clean break. Okay. Over here, still got a rejection, but eventually price go up. Okay. So I have another base here. Okay. So I have another base here. So for me to make a sell, I need a very strong bearish movement in the weekly. Until it break this one, then I can think about to sell here. All right. I will take this swap zone if it happen. But if it does not and it's reject here, price will reject here. So this base is not a base yet because it need to break first. This one does not break yet. All right. So if this one also a long shadow like this, not a good one. Actually, how to trade this is depend on your experience. I already taught you the technique that you need, and you also have a good trade, Zerko. You already trade very good. Just need to wait for rejection. That's all. That's it. I do not, I do not know how to explain it further. Just need to wait for rejection. Look, this one, price is playing like this, I do not like. I like the trade, the kind of trade that I like is like this. It moves really fast. I do not like something like this. I do not like it. Okay. Sometimes if it do something like this, I will close the position. Okay. I like something like this. My instant rate, and then price shoot up. So this only happened during the news. So it's better for you to trade during the news also, I think. If you want to learn about the set and forget, we'll be learning on next topic. New trades run, how you enter in, which time frame. Already answered that. I think that's it. You got any other question? So over here already inside here. So when it go inside here, it's bad news lah for you. Okay, it's a kind of price telling you it want to go up, but still you already have your stop loss. So just believe in your analysis, or you can also cut loss if you do not want to lose money. Okay, you already have your stop loss, you already have your take profit. So just wait. No so clear. In which time frame you enter? Lower time frame. Overview on high time frame. Entry based on lower time frame. Usually M30. But if you are comfortable with M5, M15, just trade with the time frame that you are comfortable with. Okay, so this one already price already tell you that you want to break this. Look, so just hit the stop loss. I want to end the class already. Okay, so you can see here it got a clean base to break this one. Okay, it's already done like that, but it also can just go up here, take your stop loss, and then reject back. So this one need experience. You need to see how price work. Okay, so just practice live it in your mind. Okay, to see rejection and how price reacted to it. Okay, so for next class, I will be doing on Sunday night. Class session 2. Okay. On Saturday, I very sorry. On Saturday, I have some urgent matter that I need to attend to. So I will do classes on Sunday. Okay. So Amit is typing. Maybe he got some question. No, Amit is typing. I see you. Give you another 7 minutes to ask anything. Is there any other question? Thanks, bro. Michael is typing. If you do not have any other question, I will end it now. Or I need to wait. We will learn how to set what's the target? Do you mean target in future session? Target, you mean? Can we just focus on claim rate rejection only, sir? Yes, focus on that. I mean my self trade. Yes. Tomorrow cannot have class. Cannot. Because I need to make class 1 day off and 1 day on, like that. But on Saturday, I have some urgent matter I need to attend to. I will do on Sunday. Okay. It's okay. We will have a lot of time. You can, okay. So for this Sunday, today is Thursday, Friday already. Okay, so for this Friday and Saturday, do a lot of finding decision homework. I will check on it. If it's critical, we will repeat or extend the lesson on decision and rejection. Okay, something like that. Kursus Kawin is actually a language in Malaysia. If translated to English, is like a course for people that want to get married that they need to attend to. So it's something like that. So I need to attend that in Saturday, something like that. Right. So I will do classes on Sunday. So I think there is no more question. You please do a lot of finding the decision homework. I will really check on it. Okay. So if you're doing your homework right, I will give you a thumbs up. If it's not right, I will I will not like it and I will comment lah. So even though you are finding the not a clean break, okay, even though you're finding something like this, oh, too many. Okay, even though you find something like this as your decision point, just do it, just take it, okay, because we are want to see the rejection, okay. This is your experience. Later you will find, you will know that if this one can be tradable or you just want to see this kind, okay. So this is actually you need to do the work. You need to really do the work to really understand, okay. So I think me and Faisal is writing. Last question before I end this class. All right, so I think there's no more question. So we will seeing you on session 2, 11 p.m. Sunday Malaysia time. Okay. All right. So thank you for watching and have a nice day and also have a good night. All right. Thank you.